Hey everyone, welcome to MuseThemes.com. My name is Ashton, and today we're taking a look at our brand new widget, Custom Cursor 2.0 for Adobe Muse. As you can see, this widget displays a completely custom cursor on the screen. As you hover over certain elements on a page, the cursor animates, and you can use this to draw attention to elements or encourage users to take certain actions. Now this widget is very simple to set up, but before we jump into Muse, I want to briefly explain the differences between this widget, which is version 2.0, and the original Custom Cursors widget. You may have seen or used our original Custom Cursor widget. It's one that we've had around for several years, but version 2.0 is a completely new build with a different functionality. Version 2.0 displays the cursor across an entire page rather than just a defined area. And version 2.0 also uses one type of custom cursor and doesn't allow you to upload your own image. Finally, only version 2.0 allows you to set page elements, like buttons, links, or images, as triggers for cursor animations. So let's jump over to Muse. We've got our project file here for our live demo, but with the widget removed. So if we want to add our custom cursor widget, we can simply jump into our library, drag out the custom cursor 2.0 widget, and drop it onto the page. Now we can leave it off canvas over here to keep it out of the way. And let's just jump right into the settings panel. Our first option here is called Graphic Style. This is how we link the widget to elements on the page. So whatever element is linked to the widget, that will trigger the custom cursor to animate when the site visitor hovers over that element. In this case, let's make the custom cursor animate when hovering over the button and the Muse Themes logo. I've already applied the graphic style button to both of these elements, but if you haven't yet applied a graphic style to your target element, do so by selecting the element and then creating a new graphic style for it. When naming the graphic styles, keep all lettering in lowercase and do not use spaces or special characters. Now we'll enter button into our widget, and let's give it a browser preview. Now as I hover over the button or the image below, the cursor animates. Now let's jump back into the widget panel inside of Muse. Next option is CSS Selector. This lets you get a little bit fancier if you want. Now, if you wanted to target a CSS element, you can. Now, for example, links use ahref in the site code, and we can make the widget target all links by placing an A in this field. That A targets the A in the ahrefs throughout the page. Now, when you initially open up the widget, you'll notice there's already an A placed in this field, so links will automatically be targeted. Let me jump into another browser preview. And if I hover over a hyperlink on the page, we still get the animation occurring. Let me jump back to the widget one more time. Next option up is Animations Style. Now there are 4 styles available for the cursor. Each style shows a little bit of a different animation. You'll also notice that some styles will change the size of the cursor itself while it's triggered. Lastly, the remaining options allow you to style the cursor a bit. Now I'm not going to explain each one as they're all labeled with their exact function, but let me quickly change the look of this cursor. We can change the stroke to some kind of blue. And let's cut the cursor size in half and put it at 100. Great. Let's give it one more preview. And there we go. We can see our changes reflected right away, and we have a fully functional custom cursor right out of the box. Thanks so much for watching this one, guys. Hope to catch you in another tutorial very soon. And until then, take care. And with MuseThemes.com, my name is Ashton. Cheers.